Hi everyone, it's Tereese. I'm back with another video. Today I wanted to share um, my faux ticket swap that I received from Terry. She was my partner at Junk Journal with Penny on Facebook. And well, she was one of my partners. The other one is Julia. So I just wanted to share her tickets with everybody. And look how she packaged it up. I haven't opened it. She has a little card. How cute. We swapped Halloween faux tickets. So it says, Tereese, thank you for being my partner. I hope you like your tickets. I'm sorry they are late, but sometimes life just gets in the way. Terry, you don't have to apologize about it being late. Don't worry about it. It's going to get here. It's going to get here. So I know life happens. So I'm trying to really wrap this really nice. I love this eyelash trim. It's really different. So she wrapped it up in some cute. Oh my gosh. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. There's some bling. Ooh, teeny tiny bling. Let me just make sure nothing else is in there. So she wrapped it up in pattern tissue. Love that. I'm going to save that. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay. There was some little bitty bling here. Oh my goodness. Look. I think this is a, what do you call these? Snippet? Um, um, what do you call these? I keep forgetting what they're called. Look how pretty it is. Look, it has fabric, and this looks like a ticket. This is so pretty. Terry, that is so cool. Look, holy macro. You made a whole bunch. Oh, I see where I see where the bling goes. Okay, no problem. I'll fix it. Ah, look at these tickets. Aren't these cool? Oh my gosh. So this one says boo. She's stamped on orange tickets. Oh my gosh. Should they be like this? No. Oh wow, that is so cool. I never thought of doing two. I thought we were just supposed to do five, but I guess you could do this as one ticket. Oh my god, this is too cool and vintage. I love it. Oh my gosh, that's so cool, Terry. And then she gave me a little goodie. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. I love these ball pins. Oh my god, look how much she gave me. Oh, I love these. I love these pins. Aren't these cool? She gave me a ton. Oh, I need to make some embellishments with these. I have a little bit in my stash, and so it looks like she has stamped on some muslin, and it says created. Oh, that's so cute. Created by, and then it says anyone who keeps the ability to see beauty never grows old, by Franz Kafka. Isn't that cute? Aww. And there's some angels. Oh, I love this idea. Do I have muslin? Oh gosh, I hope I have them. Look, you can, cut these in little snippets and add to tickets. Oh my gosh, thank you, Terry. This is awesome. I love this. I need to do this. really do. I need to just sit down and do it. She sent me some lace. Pretty is that? Thank you so much, Terry, for being my swap partner, and I hope you enjoyed your tickets as well. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by today. Go and check out Junk Journal with Penny because there's some really cool crafters on that Facebook page and swaps. So yeah, thanks everyone. Have a great week and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.